Super excited to go around this brand new townhouse for sale in Camias, Quezon City. It has beautiful colors, light palettes, a completely covered carport with an automated gate, and a basement. How's that for a special layout for a townhouse? Today we've got a brand new townhouse for sale here in Camias, Quezon City. The name's Julia and this is another Presello open house tour. So from the front, this is what you will see, and isn't it lovely? Clearly it's brand new and modern, but still has that charm. So here we have an automated black gate, and the pedestrian gate is actually quite tall. So as you enter, you'll be welcomed to your two-vehicle carport that is fully covered. So a part of it is transparent, so it's tempered glass, and then this portion is solid. Now over here at the back, you have some space for seating, but it's up to you what you want to place in there. And then you have your main entrance made of solid wood with some subtle horizontal lines, as well as a single vertical line over here, as well as a digital door lock. So hold on, let me just input the password, and we're in. Hey, it worked. Okay, so as you enter, you have this open space for your living, dining, and kitchen. But one of the things that you will notice is the fact that you have so much texture. So you have vertical PVC slats over here, or wooden slats rather, with some built-ins for your shelving, and you have an air well over here that's perfect for a little garden, as well as letting air and light through the whole townhouse basically. And then you have mirrors also everywhere around the house that expands the space. Mirrors like this one, for example. So this is your dining area, and again you have a mirror over here that really broadens the space, makes it feel a lot more maaliwalas or brighter. And then over here we have the kitchen with a bar. Lovely details underneath the bar, by the way. Some chandelier or downlight up top, and then lots of space for your kitchen. So you have a wonderful backsplash with geometric designs, some cupboards up top, as well as over here, and lots of storage down below as well, with your sink, your built-in stove, and more built-ins for your storage. Here in the back, you have your service area. And mind you, it's very clean for a dirty kitchen. So you have more surface to work on, more storage, and you have a lot of natural light as well as ventilation, thanks to the fact that it is open, but you will not get rained on, and that's the nice thing about this area. You also have a fire exit over there, so you can see you have a fire ladder or emergency ladder. And then over here, you have a guest-accessible toilet and bath. Now, isn't that just pretty? So you have your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space with a matte black frame. Now, speaking of matte black frame, you have here your main stairs, which also uses matte black for its handle, as well as this central portion that makes you feel safe. Now before we head up, let's go down to the basement, because yes, this does have a basement. This does have a basement. Ta-da! You actually have a lot of space. So you still have an entertainment portion here. Again, lots of mirrors to really expand space. And, well, I don't think I'm gonna... Well, okay, technically I can fit under the stairs and then go out that area, but I'm not going to. But I can fit, just saying, so you can store a lot of things in there. You have a storeroom, as well as a staff quarters and another service area with a built-in sink, some storage, and an area for your washing machine under the counter. And then of course over here it acts as a drain. I love the fact that they still have a laundry area for this townhouse. And by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. Now that that's out of the way, let's head up to the second floor. climbing up the U-shaped stairs, which by the way has this really nice and minimalist handrail. Okay. Now on the second floor, we have again a lot of space. This one, or this time, as your family area. So you already have your built-in entertainment shelf. And then over here you have more of the vertical wooden slats as an accent. It just looks super nice, and it leads your eyes to one bedroom on the left and one bedroom on the right. Let's check this one out first. So over here we have bedroom number 1, and you have this much space. Now you'll notice that you see a lot of subtle colors, such as the cream flooring in glossy tiles, and then you have the matte and diffused white walls over there. But the wall over here is a very, very light powder blue. So it is actually a different shade in color than the whites. And then you have the drop ceiling, and that's what makes it so interesting. Like everything just feels like this creamy blend of colors, but it's all different. Oh, and over here, specifically for this bedroom, give me a sec. There we go. This one has a private balcony almost, but it's an enclosed one. You can't really see your neighbors, and your neighbors, more importantly, can't see you. Now this is also access for your emergency ladder, as well as the awning window for your ensuite toilet and bath, which you will see in a second. Well, okay, maybe 3 seconds, because I need to walk there. You have your built-in entertainment shelf over here as well. And then let me just show you the toilet and bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Several minutes ago, the sun came through this window and it casted such a nice shadow over here. But it's too bad I can't show you anymore. Okay, so now across the floor, we have this nook over here. Now it's up to you what you want to do with that space, but that does lead to the airwell. Those 3 awning windows lead to the airwell. And you can use that space as maybe a study or something. So it's up to you. And over here we have bedroom number 2, which is also, could be at least, the master toilet and bath, or the main toilet and bath with an did I say main toilet and bath? Main bedroom with an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Also take note that the ceiling is still quite high. It's higher than the standard ceiling height. And then over here you have the actual bed area, and again you have a mixture of light colors. Now this time, this is gray. The other room was a little bit more blue than this one. This one is more neutral, so it's gray and then diffused white, and then again with the glossy flooring. And then your built-ins for this one, it's a nice light ash, almost a blondish color. And then your vanity is nice and dark. And then you have your entertainment shelf built in already. Of course, that's not the TV, that's just the monitor. You can place a much larger TV for your entertainment. And then, as you might have seen earlier, you have access to a balcony at the front of the property. Isn't it nice? You have so much going on for get this, for a townhouse that sits on a 100 square meter lot area. I know, right? Amazing. Let's head up the final and 3rd floor. Or rather, the 3rd and final floor. Baliktad. Okay, so this is the 3rd floor, and you still have higher than standard ceiling height. So no need for chandeliers, as you have 2 drop lights and cove lighting that perfectly illuminates this space. Here on the 3rd floor landing, you still have space for another entertainment area, or at least an entertainment area for the ones who will be staying at this floor. So you have another nook, but this time you have a common toilet and bath for either bedrooms, just bedroom 3 and 4. Oh, sorry, yes, with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And then over here, you have a sort of junior master suite. It has exactly the same layout as the one below, with your vanity, your entertainment desk, access to a balcony at the front of the property, a lot of space, and then your built-in wardrobe, as well as more shelving and another mirror. Lots of mirrors in this house. But as you might notice, the wall color is different again. Believe it or not, I'm pretty sure it's not going to translate in the video, but this color is different from this color. They're not the same kind of white. Nakatingin din si John. It's not the same kind of white. It's still an accent color. It's just very, very, very subtle. And in person, it's so nice to see. And finally, we have bedroom number 4. Oh, some sun is still peeking through. So you have, this is again Quezon City, so you have tops of trees every now and then. And then you have this room. The one directly below it had access to the ladder, remember? So it had its own balcony. Now this one does not, but the shape is different. It feels bigger, probably because it doesn't have an ensuite. It has a shared common, or it has a shared toilet and bath. In which case, if you didn't need this as a bedroom, you could turn this into a theater room, an office, a playroom, what have you. What matters is that you still have your built-in wardrobe. Oh, and yes, the accent wall this time is blue, powder blue. I'm not sure if it's the same as the one downstairs. It probably is. Okay, time for a recap. Oh, also time for some sexy B-rolls. As I mentioned earlier, you have 100 square meters of lot area and then 320 square meters of floor area distributed among between 4 levels because you have a basement. 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and one of them is here on the ground floor as well, so it's the guest accessible powder room, although technically it's a toilet and bath. And then you have a 2-vehicle carport that is completely covered and sealed off via an automated gate. And again, all of this is in Camias, Quezon City. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message. Or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. And if you want to see more townhouses like this, make sure you click the link right here. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.